Alright guys, welcome back. Today's day 31 of the 100 Days of LeetCode. If you've been enjoying these videos, please like, subscribe. Appreciate that. Today we're going to be doing number 151, reverse words in a string. So, given an input string S, reverse the order of the words. A word is defined as a sequence of non-space characters. The words in S will be separated by at least one space. Return a string of the words in reverse order concatenated by a single space. Note that S may contain leading or trailing spaces or multiple spaces between two words. The return string should only have a single space separating the words. Do not include any extra spaces. The sky is blue. Gets converted into blue is sky the. Hello world, world hello. A good example good. All right, you can see examples where there's multiple spaces in between. There's some trailing white space, leading white space. And of course that all gets eliminated in the actual output. So how do we go about solving this? Let's do it. So right off the bat, we're going to get rid of the leading and trailing white space, and we're also going to deal with the situations in which there's multiple spaces, right? We want to get that all into one space. And how we're going to do that is we're going to say string, we'll just call it after, equals s.trim. So trim basically takes off the leading and trailing white space, and then replace all so with that, what the replace all does is it takes all these times where there's multiple spaces and just puts it into one space. Okay, so now we've done that. And then we're going to say, we're going to create a string array of, we'll call it new S for new string, equals after dot split, and we're going to split it, we're going to split it on the spaces. Okay, so now we have a array that has all the words in the array. Okay, now what do we need to do? Now we need to basically put it back into some sort of string type thing, and I say that because we're going to be using string builder, and return the new string. So the reason why I'm using string builder is because strings in Java are immutable, which means that basically if you want to append to the string, you have to recreate the whole string. So it's incredibly inefficient, whereas string builder, you don't have to do that. So that's why we're going to use that. So we're going to say string builder SB equals new string builder, just like that. And then we're going to iterate through the new string array backwards. So we're going to say dot length -1, I greater than equal to 0, I minus. Okay. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to append to the string builder the string at the current index. But then we're also going to append a space, right? Because there needs to be a space in between. Okay? And then right at the end, we're going to convert it to a string. Because we return a string, we're going to trim it because there's going to be one more space at the end because we're appending this after every single iteration of the loop. And then that should be our solution. There you go. So that's one way to solve this one. So again, basically, first we trim and we replace all the multiple spaces with one space. Then we split the string by every space. We store in an array, create a string builder, iterate through the array backwards, appending to the string builder each time, and then we're returning the string builder to string, trimming that to get rid of the excess white space. If you guys enjoyed that video, like I said, I appreciate it. Like and subscribe. See you tomorrow for day 32.